and welcome back to Tash's Crochet, where today I'm going to show you how to crochet your very own Pikachu hat. Now of course this hat doesn't specifically have to be for Charmander, but it is the correct sizing for him. So you might have to make some adjustments if you want to add it to anyone else. We're going to start by doing 7 single crochet in a magic ring. And of course, if you want to learn how to make that adorable little Charmander in the background, then just check out my page. Moving on to round 2, we are going to increase in every stitch going around, and that should leave you with 14 stitches. For round 3, we're going to be doing a single crochet followed by an increase all the way around, and that should give you 21 stitches. For round 4, we're going to be doing 2 single crochet and an increase all the way around, leaving you with 28 stitches. For round 5, we're going to be doing 3 single crochet and an increase all the way around, and that gives you 35 stitches. For rounds 6 to 9, we're going to be doing single crochets all the way around. And just to be really sure, that's 4 rounds. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So going on to round 10, we're going to be doing back loop only, slip stitch in the first stitch. And then in the next stitch, we're going to be doing a single crochet, a half double crochet and another single crochet, all in the same stitch, and we're going to repeat that the entire way around. Then you need to slip stitch and fasten off your yarn. Now it's up to you whether you want to leave enough yarn and sew it to whatever you're attaching it to, or if you wanted to add some felt on the underneath and make it so it's detachable, that's up to you. Now we're moving on to the ears, so grab your brown yarn and we're going to do 6 single crochet in a magic ring. For round 2, we're going to increase the entire way around, and that will give us 12 stitches. For round 3, we're going to single crochet around, and in the last stitch we're going to change to yellow. When doing your colour change, you don't finish your single crochet, you do it with the additional colour that you're trying to change into of the last round. So this is what I'm doing here, and then I'm just tying a little knot so it doesn't come undone. Take the stitch marker out and add it to the back there, so you can see it's just got that stitch is still in brown, but then you've started in the yellow. For rounds 4 to 5, so that's 2 rounds, we're going to be doing single crochet around in the back loop only. This just helps her get a straighter line between the two colours. For round 6, we're going to just single crochet around like you normally would. And for round 7, we're going to do 4 single crochet and a decrease. We're going to do this twice and you should have 10 stitches. On to round 8, we're going to be doing single crochet around again, but in our last stitch you can do a slip stitch and fasten off. Don't forget to leave a long enough tail to sew to the head. I attached my ears to the top of the heads between rounds 3 to 6, but of course do whichever feels best for you. Don't forget to add some toy eyes, or you can do this in felt if you wanted to as well. And finally, add on his little red cheeks. And you've finished. If you wanted to use this for another plushie and you needed the size to be bigger, you could always increase the head size by a couple of rounds, but just make sure whatever you do to the head, you do to the ears so they stay proportional. Or let me know in the comments if you want to have a proper human-sized Pikachu hat. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye!